Yo, what's good? It's the Trading App Insider. Welcome back to Trading App HQ. Today, we're ranking the top 5 trading apps for beginners in 2026. No cap. Forget the hype. Forget the YouTube gurus telling you which one to pick. I've actually used all 5 of these, and I'll tell you what each one does well, what it does badly, and which one is actually the move for somebody starting out today. Quick disclaimer, real quick. This is educational only, not financial advice. Some links in the description are affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Bet. Hey, let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, Public.com. Public is a newer trading app that's all about social investing. You can peep what other investors are buying, follow them, even copy their trades. They got stocks, ETFs, crypto, and even some unusual stuff like fine art and treasury bills. The good, clean interface, no payment for order flow, fractional shares starting from $1. The bad, fewer features for active traders. Research tools are kinda lacking. Public is solid for absolute beginners who want to see what others are doing. But if you're trying to level up beyond the basics, you go and outgrow it. Number 4, SoFi Invest. SoFi is part of the whole SoFi banking ecosystem. If you already mess with SoFi for checking, savings, or loans, having investing in the same app is a vibe. The good, all your bread in one place, automated investing options, decent sign-up bonuses. The bad, limited stock research, no options trading, fewer advanced features. SoFi works if you want simple and you're already a SoFi customer. Otherwise, it's just an okay broker. Number 3, Moomoo. Moomoo is owned by a Chinese tech company called Futu Holdings. It's kind of slept on in the US, but it's been popping off because of one thing, their sign-up bonuses. They regularly drop 15 to 20 free stocks for new accounts, which can be worth hundreds of dollars. Real money. The good, best sign-up bonus in the game, level 2 market data for free, advanced charting tools. The bad, the interface is busy as heck, the learning curve is steeper than Robinhood, customer support is slow. Moomoo is the move if you want a free stock bonus and you're down to learn a more advanced interface. Number 2, Webull. Webull is basically the serious investor version of Robinhood. Same commission-free trading, but with way more features. Advanced charting, paper trading, options, futures, even crypto. The good, paper trading mode lets you practice with fake money before you risk real cash. Advanced order types, pre-market and after-hours trading. The bad, overwhelming for total beginners, the mobile app is less intuitive than Robinhood. Webull is the best app for somebody who wants to learn how to actually invest without paying for premium tools. The paper trading mode alone makes it worth installing. Low-key a cheat code. And number 1, Robinhood. Yeah, I know, the basic pick. Hear me out though. Robinhood got flaws. The GameStop saga back in 2021. Payment for order flow. The whole aggressive design that nudges you to trade more than you should. But real talk, for a complete beginner in 2026, Robinhood is still the easiest app to actually use. Interface is clean, sign up takes 10 minutes, fractional shares start at $1, and the Learn tab is genuinely helpful. The good, easiest interface to learn, instant deposits up to $1,000, fractional shares, 24/7 customer support, and they recently added retirement accounts with matching. That's a W. The bad, limited research compared to Webull, some controversial decisions. Customer service is hit or miss. If you're brand new and you just want to buy your first share of stock without overthinking it, Robinhood gets you there fastest. Period. So which one should you actually pick? If you want simple, Robinhood. If you want to practice with fake money first, Webull. If you want a free stock bonus, Moomoo. If you already use SoFi banking, SoFi Invest. If you want to see what others are buying, Public. My honest call, start with Webull's paper trading mode for 2 weeks, then open a real Robinhood account with $25 and buy one share of a company you actually understand. That combo gives you practice plus real-world experience without risking the bag. That's the list. If you want a deeper dive on any of these apps, I got full walkthrough videos coming. Tap subscribe so you don't miss them. Catch you in the next one.